Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping in, I hope you don't make it your last. So, you want to see how this gorgeous look was actually.
Just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same.
Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, I hope you don't make it your last. And for my old subscribers, for all of you there. So today I will be taking you through how I made this look. Yeah, this look. It's a Barbie, it's giving Barbie, right? I know. So if you want to see how we did this beautiful look, um you don't want to go nowhere. Grab your popcorn, make sure you remove all distraction because I'm about to take over. So I will be leaving the details of the foundation and the description below. Applying the foundation, and then we'll be using the makeup sponge from Odami Gadget today. Shout out to Odami Gadget for sending us this product. I really love it. This was me trying it the first time, and it was very easy to use. It does not hold product. It just helps makes the product sit on the skin properly. As you can see, with little or no effort, I use to blend the product into my skin. And know that you need to damp your makeup sponge to get good results. But that aside, this is a 10 over 10 for me.
I was there when I needed someone.
So next will be contouring the face, and as you can see, I'm using a foundation 2 shade darker than my tone, right? And I'll be blending it in with the makeup sponge, the same makeup sponge. Guys, learn to work with just one makeup sponge for everything you do. It saves the time of washing different sponges, and it works as well. It works. So you can see it is not giving what it shouldn't be giving. Still the same sponge. So next we'll be blushing up the face. You can see the feature of this contour. You can see it on my face already. Yeah. Now we are using um a blush from, I think, TM Essential. I can't remember the shade, but I'll be putting it in the description box. And damn, look how sweet it is sitting on the skin. I'm telling you, this is a must have. Come on now, take a look. So I am driving a little bit of it to my forehead, and so next it's time to highlight. Yes, a lot of people don't know that this process is called highlighting, but I am here to tell you for free today that this is called highlighting. Yes, so I used the lighter shade from the Nuban Beauty. And trust me, if you're working with Nuban Beauty concealer, you need to work fast. Trust me, I regretted it. You need to work fast because it dries up very fast. I would recommend you work with this concealer when you're doing your brows, not your face, because it showed me pepper there. But that aside, it's a very good concealer. Trust me. Can see how I am, like, I didn't blend quickly, and you can see the map on my face, and I had to like put in more work to like blend it in properly. So I spread the face, and now it is time to powder it. It's now to powder every area that I, applied cream. Now I'll be using my viccabel brush, I think the number 2 brush, to set. I like to use my powder, my pressed powder, to set the face. Some people prefer going in with their setting powder, which is fine, but I prefer to go in with my powder. And I think this is in the shade caramel beige, or the V Beauty powder palette. Yeah. So setting the highlighted area first. Next, I will be setting the contoured areas. So guys, if you haven't liked this video yet, now is a good time to do so. Also, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section, because I'll definitely be going through it. Now let's head back to the video, shall we? So now we're going to be contouring the nose. Yes. So just the way we contoured the face, we should have contoured the nose, but some people prefer to contour with the cream product first before setting, but I just like doing this for myself. But on the customer, I'll definitely contour with the cream. Just do what's best for you. Either ways, the both processes work for me, right? And yes, now I'm going in with my brush to define the contoured areas properly. Now we're going to be baking the face. Yes, there's a difference between setting the face and baking the face. Now, using my Flawless Ivy powder, setting powder in shade white. Yeah, it's a translucent powder. It does not leave a particular color on the face. That is why I prefer to use it. So there are 3 different shades, or I think 4 different shades from the Flawless Ivy setting powder. This is the translucent one. There is the creamy colored one there, and then 2 other shades. But yes, this does the work for me, especially for light skin people. I sometimes use it for dark skin also, but yeah, you also need to find what works for you if you have to use a particular product. So setting the highlighted areas to be precise, and also I like to bake under the eyes before doing my eyeshadow, so that products from the eyeshadow won't fall directly on the face, so they fall on the baked areas, because I'll also be dusting the excess powder off after I am done. Now we are going to be blushing up the face. This is usually one of my favorite parts in the makeup process. Yes, one of my favorite parts. I have other favorite parts, but this right here is my favorite part. So today we're using the CPD blush palette, and guys, if you don't have CPD blush palette, you are joking. It comes in, I think there is a 4-in-1 palette, there is a 6-in-1 palette. I particularly enjoy the 6-in-1 palette. I use that one a lot on clients. This one is my personal one, and it's the 4-in-1. So yes, you can see I am extending towards my forehead area to warm up my face a bit. You can see the difference in what it looks like initially and what it is looking like right now. And mind you, it is on the cheek, the apple of the cheek, or whatever they call it, is where I am applying my blush. Next, we are going to be doing the eyes. So right now I am concealing the eye. Initially I was going to do a cut crease kind of look, but the cut crease wasn't cutting, so I had to switch to something else. Yeah, so this is me prepping the eye for the eyeshadow process. If you want to see the eyeshadow process, stay tuned for the next video coming up, because I gave a well detailed eye video on what I did here. Now let's move to the next one. Now I have finished the eyes and the brow, and now we are doing the final touches using the Beauty by AD loose highlighter in Vivid. Bro, look at this glow. This glow is blinding, trust me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.